Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to block adult video on TikTok. If you want to block adult content on TikTok, here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, go to your profile and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Go to content preference. Now click on restricted mode. Here it says limit content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. If you find content that makes you uncomfortable while in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. So turn on these settings. It's going to ask you what made you turn on restricted mode. You can choose anything. Maybe you can choose want to limit inappropriate content. Click on submit. It's going to refresh the type of content it feeds you from now on. That's how you block adult content on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.